I'm gonna show you several ways to find your computer name and then several ways to change it. So let's start right now. The first method to find your computer name is to open a CMD window and type the command hostname. The next method, also using the CMD window, is to type the command wmic computer system get name. The next two methods use the PowerShell to find the computer name. Make sure you type them exactly as they appear. The first one is using the system.net.dns class. The second one is using an environment variable. Now that we know how to find our computer name, let's see how we can change it. Right-click the Start button and choose System. Press the Rename PC button, give the computer a new name, and press Next. Now your computer needs to be restarted to implement the change. So let's go ahead and do that. The next method to change the computer name is to use the command sysdm.cpl. You can run this command from the CMD or from the Run window. After running it, press the Change button, enter the new name, and press OK. Like before, your computer needs to be restarted to implement the change. The last method I want to show you to rename your computer is using a PowerShell command. Open a PowerShell window as an administrator and run the command rename computer with the -new name parameter followed by the new computer name. And again, your computer needs to be restarted for this change to be implemented. I hope you learned something from this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment if you have any other methods or have anything to add. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.